welcome to Sam's family house. And I am Wisenet SmartCam D1, the guardian of this family. When the house is completely empty, it is time for me to get down to some serious business.
Hi there, can I help you?
It's delivery.
Oh, great. Just leave it there. Thank you.
It's just a piece of cake, and I can even protect the package from being stolen. Even when everybody is busy, it's still no problem. Hey you, what are you doing there?
Excuse me, can I help you?
Guys, just see what I can do? Uh-oh, someone is coming again. Ah, Sam's friend is here.
Oh, hey, it's Charlie.
Oh, hi, Charlie.
This is how smart I am. For the people that matter, and for the places that matter.
Daddy!
I am keeping Sam's family safe all day, every day. Know who's at your doorstep with instant face recognition? Wisenet SmartCam D1 Video Doorbell.